Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So, bit of chaos on Friday, big down, big up. We did come in off a little bit of structure here, and you can see it was this level here. So that was based on the noise that came out, and then the buyer stepped in. So trend is up. Just a bit of a lesson here. When you're in an uptrend, you don't want to be looking for shorts. You want to be looking for the opportunity to buy. Doesn't matter what's happening with the noise, because there were a lot of people that were trapped here. There was a bit of bad data coming out for non-farm payrolls, and you saw the market fall, and then all of a sudden buyers stepped in off structure because the trend is up. Okay, so what we're looking for is we're looking for this to continue. One thing that is concerning me is we do have potential diversions forming here. So you can see there's a high, lower high, and price has made a higher high. So just keep that in the back of your mind as we drill through the different time frames. So on the 3 hour, we do have a very strong area of what we're looking for support. That's 40.46 or 40.50. I would expect us to at least defend that. So we didn't defend it on Friday, we dropped below it. And if you look at it on the hour, you can see massive hourly close, big inside range bar, and then we continue to the upside. So yes, I see this happen so often. And you can see everybody jumps in on this for a short, and all what's happening is that the institutions are looking for a better position, and they're looking for a position off 4,000, which was always going to be tested, and they jump straight in. So lots of buyers came in on 4,000 to defend this. It doesn't matter what happened with the noise, that's what happened with price. So looking at it today, I still think this is what's going to offer value. That's 40.46 or 40.50. If we do see a pullback onto that area or into that area, then I would expect some kind of a buying frenzy to happen. You can see here the data, and it drops, big gap, and then immediately came back to close that gap. So for me right now, that's pretty much the only bit of structure that I can see that I'd actually be interested in. There is another view here, I suppose, and that's this area here, which is pretty much gap close. So price come back onto the gap and then buy. You can see the moving averages have crossed over. So this would be possibly even a 5-minute trade, to be honest. I want to see positive price action here for move the upside. But looking at the European markets, or specifically the DAX, I think the DAX is either going to just move sideways this morning, or we're probably going to see a bit of a squirt down. If we do see a squirt down, you're going to see the US markets following suit. So pay attention to 40.64 and then 40.50 area. Between 40.50 and 40.46. If we start getting some decent price action in that area, it should be inside bar, engulfing bar, or pin bars, and you're looking for an opportunity upside. And just to recap here, you can see 4,000, 4,007. It's 4,000 area that was defended, but look, the inside bar and then an engulfing bar immediately. So your trade could have been off there, 300 point stop loss, or it could have been off here, 200 point stop loss, or you could have taken off the structure with a 200 point stop loss as well, off the 4,000 area. Okay, so a bit dangerous to do with data because you never know, but hindsight's always a perfect science. So that's kind of my view at the moment. So you can see we were sideways, and then big down, big up into the sideways price action again. So I'm a little bit skeptical about tracing it just yet, but the trend is up. So let's just see what happens. Oh, there's another level, sorry. The swing low here is also a level. So that is 40.53. So this 40.50 area, I think, is what you need to pay attention to. Pull back into that, see some price action there, inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars off those levels. You're looking for a buy, and you're looking to target the 4100 area from earlier, well, from the middle of last week. Okay, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.